Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Sajid Mughal from Learn with Purpose. Today I come with a new tip that is about Photoshop. So today I am going to show you that how you can write a completely round text in Photoshop, especially when you are designing some kind of logos and something like this. But mostly people practice like this, that they write suppose I'm going to write this one, Learn with Purpose. Mostly people use this tool over here and they use like arc, and you can see over here this is not working properly and completely disbalance the text. So I'm not going to use this one. Okay, I'm going to show you the proper tool. I'm going to delete this. Now below the text tool there is another tool. Click on Ellipse tool and click on this one, and this hold shift key and draw your circle. Okay, now select your text tool. I'm going to start from over here. Okay, Learn with Purpose. In this way you can see over here this is a complete round text. You can use this one. Here you can see you can write your text completely with a good manner as you want. If you like this tip, follow my channel, subscribe this for more upcoming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.